Well, hello guys. Here we are today, just making another video about HTML markup language, hypertext markup language. Okay, is what it is called. Okay, the language to create web pages. Okay, so remember we talked about markup languages in the last video, and now we are going to see how to learn this language. We're gonna use a tutorial that some of you will know very well, which is called W3Schools. Okay, W3Schools is a web page, special web page with lots of tutorials. Okay, I will put here W3Schools. Yeah, it's this one. Well, no, okay, this is one. Do you see here? HTTPS www.w3schools.com. Okay, so you have here first of all some languages. We choose HTML and we have lots of parts, lots of steps to learn this language. Okay, in this tutorial everything is very well ordered. Okay, so we will go to the introduction because home I think that is not useful, but we'll go to the introduction. Okay, so in this introduction, what is HTML? You see here stands for hypertext markup languages. Yes, you can do this by yourselves. Okay, if you want to read this, you don't need the video. It's just follow the steps, but I will explain some of the parts, maybe all of them or maybe some of them, to make it easier for you. Okay, so I will read it and I will explain some things. Okay, so we have here HTML. We can see here the code, okay, which is full of full of tags. This tag says that this document is going to be an HTML file. Okay, and then you have these tags to see HTML head and this other content. These are not tags. This black sentences or words, these are not tags. These are just content of the body. Okay, so we'll see it. If you click try yourself, this is W3Schools. What does it look like? Okay, you have a part to see the code, how it is, and after that you can see this code in a web browser like Firefox or Chrome or this kind of programs. How does the browser see this code? So my first heading, my first paragraph, this part, this web page is made with this content. Very simple. Okay, very simple. So you have some parts that you will see always. Every HTML file starts with the HTML tag. Then you have a head part, which can be sometimes blank without nothing, but you have this web page has a title. You can't see the title. Okay, the information that is in the head is not some information that will appear in the web page. It's information about the web page, not the content. Okay, the content is in the body. So everything that is put here inside the body is the information that we were gonna see in a web page. Okay, so we have H1, heading 1, my first heading, and P, paragraph, my first paragraph. You know, headings are the little parts of documents that are more important than the paragraphs. The paragraphs are the simplest part of a document, of a web page. Okay, so we have here very simple, my first paragraph in with a size which is a little bit small, and you have a heading which is a little bit it's a little bit bigger, but it's because it is more important. Okay, so we have lots of different headings. Of course, I can change this type of element. I can say that this element is the paragraph and the other one is the heading, okay, H1, and here H1, and it will change. The heading will become a paragraph, and my first paragraph this will become a heading. To see the results, you have to run, and you see the difference. Okay, so the tags have information about the content. They say how the content will look like. So we will start with this part. I have explained the example, and we have talked about tag names, about headings, and about web browsers, that are the programs like Firefox, Chrome, and this kind of programs that can show you the code of a web page. Okay, so we have talked about the HTML structure, head, body, this is the content. Okay, so we have here and here a little bit of history. Okay, so this is our first video about HTML. I have started with introduction. I will next go to the other steps, the other chapters, episodes. I don't know how to explain that. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we'll see in the next video.